Let's go, everyone! Today, super excited to be unboxing this 4-pack of Energizer Max C batteries. So it comes with a little coupon on the front here. Get $5 back with $20 qualifying purchase. Alright, that's what the packaging looks like. Might need scissors for this, but maybe not. Nope. We got it. We got it. We did it. Wow. Energizer Max. 4-pack C batteries. Cool. Yeah, that's pretty much it. I'll drop a link in the video description below on where you can get these from, and let me know what you think of these in the comment section below. Hope you're all doing well. Catch you all for the next unboxing video. Later.